Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. So we're currently in Joshua Tree. If you've missed this whole little series, you should go watch all of those before this one. But we are about to leave to go to LA for a couple days. Very excited, super tired, but it's gonna be fun. Tonight is probably just gonna be like more chill. We want to go to like the beach and just kind of hang out for a bit because we had quite the long day yesterday. So yeah, thought you guys would enjoy coming along with us. So let's get going.
This stop is.
This is really, I was not expecting it to be nice.
This is like the nicest stop I've ever taken off of a highway before.
So cute.
Look how cute
I was not expecting it to be this cute.
Hello. Got the goods. Very excited. Very hungry. Did I get both straws? Here's your straw.
Straw?
We got 2 straws. We got cheese fries and double burgers. Double cheese
Double
burgers. Doubles. I'm so excited. Oh, I have both of the burgers. I thought each one had their own thing. I was like, hello? Tradesies. Woo! I'm so excited. Well, shall we cheers to that? Dink! This do be hitting different. I'm so excited I haven't taken a bite yet. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good call. Well. Wow. I'm in heaven. We're gonna eat now. We're gonna eat now. You're just watching us eat. Yeah. We drove through the mountains and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. And then we came to here and it's literally just this oasis. Super cute. Traffic hasn't been awful. It hasn't been like standstill, so not too bad. I'm not used to driving in traffic at all. So there's never traffic in Indiana. There's never traffic. Never. Well, there hasn't been traffic the past year. Yeah. Because nobody's been driving. Yeah. Leaving at that, there's barely ever traffic, so. But the driving hasn't been that bad. I have not hated it that much. So, not too shabby. That's it for now. Look at all those lanes. What is this? Anxiety. That is, yikes. Woo! So we finally returned to our car. We got to LA. We are now at our hotel and we're gonna give you a little tour because it is little, but it is so cute. So standing at the front doorway and hello downtown LA. Hello. And this is our cute little room. We literally basically just have a giant bed and this incredible view of the city. So yeah. Very jazzed. Very excited. Also very tired. Very tired. It has been a day. It has been a long 2 days, honestly. I've lived a lifetime. We have lived a lifetime out here, but yeah, we made it. Timing has been really good, honestly, and we're gonna chill out for a bit. And later we're going out to our friend's house. Ooh, sorry, I was taking pictures. No, you're fine. They're from LA and they also came back today and they asked us to hang out. So we were gonna have a beach day today is what we planned, like just a chill day, but we figured we would go to that instead and do the beach day tomorrow since we don't have much else planned tomorrow. All we want to do really is go to Melrose and kind of like shop and walk around. Thrifting. So we'll probably do that in the morning and then go to the beach in the afternoon, and then we have dinner reservations and all that jazz. So but that's kind of the vibe. We're gonna chill out for a bit because we do be tired. We do be so tired. We do be so tired. We lived a whole lifetime in one day yesterday. So see you later.
We're having a great time though.
Yeah.
So much fun.
It is the next day. Did I vlog last night? No, but we hung out with our friend at his house, had dinner, and then came home at like, I don't know, 11ish, so nothing too crazy. I got like one clip of us driving around and that's it. But you know what? Something is something, so there's that. Today we are going down to Melrose. We're gonna eat breakfast down there, probably gonna go to the beach, and then our dinner reservations is actually at 5:45, which we thought it was later, but I guess we made it earlier because there wasn't a later time. So we have our dinner reservation kind of early, and then we're probably gonna come back, and this hotel has a rooftop, so we want to like obviously go to it at some point, so I think we'll probably go there. And yeah, we're just gonna vibe for the day, hang out, and not do anything too crazy. But yeah, look at this freaking view. This is so cool. Oh, is it gonna focus? There we go. So cool. So freaking cool. So that's the vibe. Probably gonna head out here soon. So yeah, we're matching today.
Yeah.
Super cute. That's all. Bye.
That's where she is. It's so cute. I'm so excited to eat. Dude, I'm so hungry.
That's why, like, when you talked about her, like, I remember, like, this.
Got the goods. We got Florentine over here. We got chilaquiles. We're having a good time. Good time. You're not gonna show it? I think we should show it. Oh. Got you.
Take control. You're on my
going?
It's Santa Monica Pier. You're really out here. If you look to front, it's the ocean.
Oh, girl, we needed this so bad. I've never been here. I'm so excited. No. I did a circle. Full 360 is nice, man.
Birthday tomorrow. Yeah, Brad and Tom came down.
Woo! Doing the mostest. We do be on the beach.
We're on the beach. We made it. Woo! So hello, we're at the beach. We had a great time on Melrose. Honestly, got a lot of good stuff.
Yeah, very
Honestly.
quirky and fun.
Kinda fun.
Everything was so cool.
It was literally perfect. We went to Santa Monica Pier. Now we're just at the beach, hanging out for a little bit. We'll probably walk down to Venice as well. And then, yeah. And then we'll get ready to go dinner. But we're just hanging. We're having a good time.
You like her sunglasses?
Be chilling. Oh yeah, I bought these sunglasses.
That's why it came in on your face.
And I think they're such a vibe.
Look
They're
how
huge
cute.
and I love them. I love good big sunglasses moment. But yeah, this do be our view.
Very fun.
Very fun. So we're just gonna hang out for a hot minute. Enjoy the sun. It's like perfect weather, so
It's gorgeous.
see you on the flippity flip.
Look, it's our Uber. Wow.
Hello, we're back in the hotel room, obviously. We really forgot that traffic was a thing, and we were like, oh, it's gonna take us like 20 minutes to get back to the hotel. It took over an hour, so we had like 5 minutes to get ready for our dinner reservation. That's at 5:45. It's like a 10-minute walk from here, if we're not mistaken. So it is literally 5:30, so we are like right on time to go and walk over there. But yeah, we'd be looking cute. Let's go to the mirror, hold on. Let's do a little mirror moment. We've got the pantsuit vibe going. Pretty cute.
Didn't plan it.
Didn't plan it, but we love that for us.
But it's okay.
So out to dinner we go. See you at the rooftop. Woo!
Ooh.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. Very fun. Look at this nice charcuterie board we got going on.
So cute. I love this work. So exciting.
It's absolutely gorgeous here.
Be eating good tonight.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so excited. So here's outfit change for the night. We watched the sunset out here and it was beautiful, and we didn't record it because we were both just almost sleeping while watching it. Was a beautiful time. Anyway, we were gonna go out to an actual bar elsewhere, but we were both pooped. So we're gonna attempt to go to the rooftop upstairs. Technically they say it's reservation only, but they said we could just pop up there and see if we can like sneak in. So we're gonna attempt that. These are our cute outfits. We're like coordinating. Look at that. Wasn't planned.
Nothing was
but
planned, and
very
yet
cute.
everything looks cute
And
together.
we've been coordinating really well.
We really have.
Unintentionally.
Unintentionally.
Which is really funny, but love that for us.
Ooh,
Super cute.
Very
So
fun.
hopefully this rooftop works out. If not, we're just gonna take pictures in this hotel room. So
Which is still fun.
still super fun. So
That was really bad angle. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, don't look at the mess on the floor. I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
don't know. Who?
Who? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, don't look at this either. I'm not burnt. I don't know what you're
No.
talking about.
What? Burn? I don't know.
We don't know that.
We don't know her.
Ooh.
We made it.
Cheers. Ooh.
We out here. Good morning! It's the next day. We ended up being able to go to the rooftop last night, which was really fun. It was super cute. I'm glad we ended up going to the one up here at the hotel. It was super nice. But today is our last day, so we're leaving. We're packed. It is big sad, but such is life, so
yeah.
Rip.
Did not want to get up this morning.
No, we left the windows open this morning, so we just like woke up to the natural light of like this beautiful view. And it was absolutely wonderful. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Anyway, probably gonna end the vlog here because I don't think that flying back home is very interesting content for you. So hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed the whole trip slash the whole everything from making the collection to now. Super fun. That's all I got for you. So see you in the next one. Peace out.
Peace.